How to put name at the end of the TikTok video. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can put name at the end of the TikTok video. So let's just go ahead and find out how to do it. So first thing is heading over to TikTok itself, and you need to go on with the normal process of how you post a video. Just go ahead and tap on this plus icon and create a video for yourself. Once you have created the video, you can go to this next option and you can change this privacy settings. You can set it to friends, and this more options. You have this options. So you need to turn on this option called save post with watermark if you want to get your name at the end of the TikTok video. Just go ahead and turn it on. After that, also turn on the save to device option. And all you need to do is after that, go ahead and post the video. Once the video is posted, you can just go ahead and locate up that video in your gallery, and you should be finding your name at the end of the TikTok video. Otherwise, if you really want that TikTok video at the end, you can also download other people's video, and when you do that, you should be finding the watermark of that video in their TikTok as well. So TikTok automatically does that. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.